Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make the Frostbite Tea. So I'm starting with my Liftoff in a cup. I'm going to let it dissolve down. In another cup, I'm doing 2 scoops of our wild berry bev mix. Some raspberry tea. I'm going to add some ice. Some strawberry stevia. I'm going to add some more water. I'm adding some blue blast to my orange Liftoff to kind of get a different color. And then I'm going to top it. And that's it. That's how you make the Frostbite tea. Thanks for watching.